tremendous opportunity to gain education at Pakistan. I guess Pakistan is an amazing country when it comes to acquiring education, quality education.
इवेंट के हवाले से हम खसूसी तौर पे जानेंगे जी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Assalamu alaikum ji.
जी आज के डे के हवाले से थोड़ा सा बताइएगा।
I think it's been a tremendous event, the joint venture of both countries as host and as a migrant country both. And thanks to Pakistan for being an amazing host for over 3 decades now. And I guess gratitude is the right attitude and feeling of gratitude, solidarity and unity with Pakistan. Tremendous opportunity to gain education at Pakistan. I guess Pakistan is an amazing country when it comes to acquiring education, quality education, and that the greatest scale of Afghan refugees happen to be youth, which is the optimum source of fruitfulness to the host country. And if they are given the right medium to flourish themselves, they can be a great resident for the host country.
बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं कि जो मिसयूज़ करते हैं कंट्रीज़ को या उनके कानून को नहीं मानते, तो इस हवाले से आप अपने रिफ्यूजीज़ को क्या पैगाम देंगी?
They already are doing their level best, but I'd say to make most of the beautiful educational and academic opportunities which Pakistan has to offer and make most of this beautiful country in terms of education.
Thanks.